Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hashfi Haul Ramadan. My number student is 2024-32071. Here I want to explain about comprehensive mobile interface for furniture and home decor e-commerce applications. Over the next few minutes, I will demonstrate the core functionalities of these applications, explain the design architecture of the home and store page, showcase the dynamic light and dark modes, and delve into the UI UX principle that guide my design decisions. Okay, first let's discuss the core concept. This e-commerce application is tailored specifically for users looking to buy or rent property items, specifically furniture and room accessories like sofas, lamps, and vases. The overarching theme is modern, natural, and reliable. I choose a green-based color palette because green physiological evokes a sense of calm, nature, and comfort. Feelings that perfectly align with home decorations. To balance this, I use bold red accent to draw the user's attention to critical actions and informations, such as price tags and category filters. The design utilizes a soft UI or neomorphic aesthetic for the category buttons, giving it a tactical modern feel. Okay, moving on to the structure. Let's look at the home page. At the very top, we have a personalized greeting header featuring the user's profile name, in this case Ronggo Warsito, notifications, uh, bell, and the model toggle. Just below is a prominent search bar equipped with a filter icon, ensuring users can immediately start looking for specific item. Below the search, I place a large, attractive promotional banner inviting users to choose your property. The middle sections is dedicated to navigation through categories: chair, lamp, desk, vase, bed, and cupboard. And finally, the bottom sections of the homepage previews item for rent and for sale. And between light mode and the dark mode, one of the key features of this design is the integration of both light and dark modes. As you can see, the dark mode on the left does not use pure black. Instead, I opted for a deep, rich forest green. This reduces eye strain in low light environments while maintaining the brand's natural aesthetic. The text and icons adapt by turning dark for legibility where needed, or remaining white for contrast in contrast. The light mode and the right use a soft mint or sage green background. This model feels fresh, airy, and vibrant. Here demonstrate for the toggle. Okay, by tapping this switch next to the notification bell, users can seamlessly transition between these two modes. Notice how the switch visually moves and change color to indicate the current state: dark for the dark mode and white for light mode. The product card also adjusts their background subtly to ensure the image pop in both environments. and we go to the navbar demonstrations. Navigation is critical for a good user experience. I have implemented a fixed bottom navbar consisting of 5 main tabs: home, store, search, activity, and profile. Okay, here when the user is on the home page, the home icon is highlighted in red, clearly indicating their current locations. When we navigated to the store page, here, the active state will shift. This visual feedback using our primary red accent color prevent user from getting lost within the application architecture. And when we want to go to the home page again, we click the arrow in the top top left. Okay. Let's look at how the user interacts with the content through scrolling. First, the vertical scrolling. Here. On the product store page, we have a grid of items because a store will have dozens of products. The user can smoothly scroll down vertically to explore more items like the mirror, on and sleep lamp at the bottom. The navbar remains fixed at the bottom of the screen while they scroll, ensuring they can always navigate away. Next is horizontal scrolling. Space is limited on mobile screens, so I utilize horizontal carousels. Notice the red category filters all, armchairs, round table, like this. Users can swipe left or right on this specific row to revolve more filters without cluttering the vertical space. Similarly, on the home page, the for rent and for sale fields function with a horizontal scroll, providing a highlight space fancy UI. Finally, let me explain the core UI/UX principle apply in this design. First, visual hierarchy. I use size, weight, and color to guide the eye. The bright right button immediately catch the eye against the softer green background, telling the user exactly what the cost is and where to click the process. Second, consistency. The rounded corners on the cards, the banners, and the icons are perfectly consistent throughout the app. This creates choosive, the trustworthy brand identity. Third, the law of proximity. Related items are grouped together. For example, the image, title, and price of the lamb chocolate are contained within one clearly defined card with appropriate padding. This helps the user's brain quickly process that the pieces of information belong to one single product. And lastly, affordance. The soft shadows on the category buttons on the home page, the chair, lamp, desk, make them look slightly raised, signaling to the users that these are interactive, clickable elements. That concludes my practical report presentations on the e-commerce UI/UX design. Through careful consideration of structure, color schemas, responsive scrolling, and solid design principles, I aim to create an intuitive and enjoyable shopping experience for the user. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.